we had some interesting fiascos.
Every time, he's always some issue with the lawnmower.
I'm pleased to report no property was damaged.
Alright. This pimple is so gross. We're in Food Line. We're in Food Kitty. Food Kitty. What are we getting from Food Kitty?
Me. Where are we going? As could be almost reasonably predicted, Food Line does not have an expansive spice section.
I thought they would have a better one than this. They don't have anything. Like, groceries don't have anything. You feeling yourself? Asking if they need a basket. So.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I saw you, yeah. Okay. Just like, you know, making the time to talk to older folks, because they're not talking to a whole bunch of people
Yeah, yeah.
as they get older.
Yeah.
And it just reminds me of, like, you know, my nana and them.
Yeah.
I
know.
Sometimes they just want somebody to,
yeah.
do stuff.
We're in Walmart having a serious conversation.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, we just, now, this place will have everything we need. Should've got a basket. Let's get one. Yeah, let's get one. I gotta get tissue and stuff anyway. Or get tissue and stuff. Yeah, card basket, same difference. Look at cool poppy wearing his coat and sweats and cool shoes. Try to make stuff from scratch. You have to get 1,015,000 ingredients. And I wasn't even paying attention. I was walking. Why did I not cancel that? Yeah, this shopping trip is a bust. Was that watermelon breeze I got last time? I think it was.
Yes.
It was so good. No, I don't need it, but the vlogging can be boring, but people like to watch people walking around doing stuff. I know I do.
Go to the grocery store.
Go to the store. Go to the store. Go to the store. Alright, we're checking out now though. So we'll see when we get back. Good morning, guys. Can you see me? Welcome back to our channel. So Maya here. I am about to cook something for myself and Carter to eat. He's on his way over here. And I've been saying that for a couple of days. I was like, I'm gonna make some fried cauliflower and mashed potatoes, because I bought these potatoes, like a whole bag of potatoes, like a long time ago, and just completely forgot about them. I was like, oh crap, I have all these potatoes. And then I have bought cauliflower to make fried cauliflower for that party, but I didn't end up making it for the party. We had enough food, and I was like, again, rushing, so I didn't have time to make it. So I'm making it today. I'm making it right now. So I wanted you guys to follow on that process. He's on his way over here. He's gonna cut the grass. So I was like, you cut my grass? He was like, yeah, can you have some of the food for me to eat? I'm like, yes. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, so I'm making the food now, and yeah, I want you guys to be a part of the process. Y'all like my outfit? I mean, this is these little pants from Shein. This is like something from AliExpress, like a set from AliExpress. But I'm trying to have like more cute at home wear. I'm really into color, so I like colorful stuff. So I'm trying to have some like cute, colorful, I can't say the word, colorful at home sets. Oh, and yeah, my skin looks interesting because I have high maintenance skin. If you follow my channel, which is just me, I talk about skin a lot on my channel, and my skin is just prone to break out. It's just, I have high maintenance skin, right? I did some retinol, and I kind of used a face wash. It was a little too harsh. Tea tree oil. I don't think I should use that anymore because I feel like it's probably making my skin worse. I think it's like, what's the word that's coming to my brain? I can't really think. I think it's irritating. That's the word. I think it's irritating my skin, and irritation leads to hyperpigmentation, which is what I'm trying to get rid of. So anyway, I think I should stop using it. Even though I love that, I've used it for so long, but I was kind of came to the conclusion yesterday that this is probably not good to be using when it burns your face like that. Especially when you have high maintenance skin. Acne prone, hyperpigmentation, melasma prone skin. No. Anyway, so let's go ahead and make this food. Yeah. What's up, everybody? It's Carter here. Just got over here to Maya's crib. Hungry. Really hungry.
So, you know, she made us a little deal this morning where, you know, I'm gonna get out here on this yard in exchange for being fed. So, yeah. What are you cooking?
I told them the cauliflower and mashed potatoes I've been talking about.
Oh.
Is that good? I was like, you want breakfast? I was like, someone's gonna make this. That's how you're looking for. Is that good?
That's fine.
Okay.
So we're gonna see what that's like. I'm still like, I don't know about the winter getaway.
Just come. Just come on. It'll be good.
I want to go be cold.
It's a few days. It'll be fun. I'm telling you.
It's a few days. Like, we're cold here already.
Get massages and like go to bathhouses and like sit in saunas. It's gonna be sexy. It's gonna be fun. Sexy. It's gonna be sexy. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a good time. On it.
Did you guys pay money to go vacation somewhere that's colder than where you live?
Yeah, leave it in the comments.
Leave it in the comments below. This is a very, it's a discussion of much contention here. Because I don't like it when it's break. And I don't understand the concept of spending money to go be cold. You get that? I don't get that. This one wants to go up in the frozen tundra for a couple days.
Yes, amazing. Little skiing, all that stuff.
For why?
It's fun.
So I'm like the birds. I want to migrate to where it's warm. In the winter. Let's fly to where it's warm. Let's go get some summer in December. You know what I'm saying? Be on the beach at Christmas. That's what I'm talking about. But you know. You all may be of schools of different thoughts, so you know, I'm just curious. Just curious.
Putting all the cauliflower between the rest of this bowl of batter that y'all saw. Can you see? There you go. It's actually really good. Fish fry. I know it showed y'all that recipe, but I didn't use a recipe. I just laughed that I had the fish fry. Yeah, but I like the Dijon topping. The honey Dijon or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Olive oil burns. So I'm like, let me turn this stuff down. This is olive oil, not vegetable oil.
I added to her vegetarian palate.
Yeah.
She says it all tastes like crap. So.
Yeah, I know. What I did. Just so would make it again. Would I make it again? Nah.
Today's gonna be saying the same thing.
Different way.
Hmm?
This is like my favorite time of year, fall. The leaves are listening.
What up, people? What is going on? So just got done cutting the grass. Nice nostalgic experience. I'm sure many of you grew up across Middle America pushing lawnmowers over your parents' yards. So yeah, it's the first time doing it in a little bit. We had some interesting fiascos.
Every time, it's always some issue with the lawnmower.
I'm pleased to report no property damage.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like,
in the cutting of this yard.
Yeah, like we don't cut grass on this farm, so
you can refer to some of our previous content to figure out why that's funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, getting ready to eat now. We just had a light the Ring experience in the living room. The TV was making strange noises, and yeah.
Freaked him out a little bit. So what the heck is
Yeah.
that?
Well, I mean, you know, fight or flight. What you gonna do? I mean, ain't much you can do if it's a fucking apparition.
He has a great vocabulary, as you guys can tell.
Yeah. So.
Good, good and crispy.
Yeah. At this point in the day, my brother has not had a meal as of yet. So, you know, I would love to continue talking to you lovely people, but my brother is hungry.
Want to show what we're doing?
My brother is hungry.
So now I'm getting the potatoes together. No, you probably want more. They're very chunky because I don't have a lot of kitchen tools, so the potatoes are very chunky, but they're still good. But do you like smooth mashed potatoes? How do you feel?
I'm good. I mean, I'm a fan.
I like more smooth, but I can't mash it to death. But I need to buy more kitchen tools. I need like a blender, hand mixer. I need one of those. Yeah, I need a bunch of different kitchen tools.
Yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily eat them
I love mashed potatoes.
crunchy. Well, I mean, I've had some with like potato bits.
Yeah, these definitely have potato bits, as you guys can see. These are like,
I'm good with that.
they're lumpy, whatever the heck the word is. That's how the word is.
Well, long story short, I mean, we about to go eat. So,
Yeah. We'll talk to you.
Well, check it out, check it out. A little bit of fried cauliflower bites. What are these mashed potatoes made of again? Just regular mashed potatoes? I think you made them from scratch, ain't you? Kind of, sort of.
I mean, yeah, say all of it, but yeah, they're vegan. They're just mashed potatoes with unsweetened almond milk. So I cut out dairy where I can. I don't really like dairy like that. I mean, I do, but cut it out where I can. So I found over years, I found substitutes. So I was talking. Let me finish.
My bad.
Yeah, so it's just unsweetened almond milk and then like the cashew yogurt. I showed you guys what's in there, and just salt, pepper, not pepper, salt and butter. That's it. It's not vegan butter though. So that's it.
Yep. Looks good. We about to tear it up.
And salad.
A little bit of greens. Eat your vegetables, kids.
Boop. Spinach and spring mix. Ah. There you go. I don't know if you want a big salad. I'm like piling it on.
Yeah, I'm good.